Hello, this is Teacher Rachel and I'm back. Right, actually, hindi maganda yung aking kwento today. It's kind of sad kasi may nangyari kagabi. Okay, so anyway, how are you everybody? I hope everybody's good. My class is finished. So, ngayon ako magkukwento. Okay, so let's make kwento-kwento. But again, you can find me on TikTok. If you cannot find me on YouTube, let's say hindi pa ako updated. Mayroon po akong, nagla-live po ako on YouTube, I mean on TikTok and on Facebook. Yan, medyo pagod na yung mata ko. Actually, puyat po ako. Kukwento ko sa inyo, napuyat po ako kagabi kasi nagisnan po kami, nagisnan. We woke up, okay? We woke up with very bad situation outside our house. May nasusunog po. Okay, I'll just post yung, i-attach ko dito yung nangyari kagabi. Kasi na-videoan ko siya, medyo pa, the fire was about to end na or okay na siya. So, medyo na talagang na-rattle kami nun. So, medyo na problema kami kagabi kasi because of that, no? Sobrang nakatakot po pag nasusunugan. Buti na lang hindi po dumating sa bahay talaga namin. It's just across the street. Talagang katapat lang ng road namin dyan. Talagang makita nyo yung aming wall, yung aming fence. Okay? And the fire is just across the road. Parang ganyan. Maliit lang. So, but we're happy na and thank God that we're okay, no? So talagang grabe. Buti na lang po. Salamat talaga sa aming aso kasi naglikot-likot siya. That was almost 12:30 na kasi ng gabi. So parang tulog na po kami. Tulog na rin ako. So yung dog namin daw, sabi ng anak ko, parang siya, he's parang thinking na merong danger. So, naglikot-likot siya, nag-jump siya doon sa kwarto ng anak ko. Tapos sabi ng anak ko, okay, you get out, Pram, labas ka. Sabi niya ganyan, ano bang problema mo? And then when my son went out, para ihatid yung aso sa sala, nakita niya yung apoy. And then, he woke me up. So, yun po. So, but we're okay. Salamat sa Diyos. Anyway, I will attach po dito yung, i-stitch ko yung kuha kong vid kagabi. But don't worry everybody, we are okay. And I'm telling you all, be safe also. Sana makita ko sino yung nagsunog dyan kasi intentional po talaga yan. Kasi twice na. Yung una doon sa kabilang kanto and the corner there, the house there, that's in the corner of the street, parang ganyan. And then kami naman last night, magkasunod. Okay, so it's really bad. Alright, but anyway, thank God we're safe. So again, thank you everybody. I'll see you. Thank you for the subscription. Yung mga nagsasubscribe po, thank you very much po sa inyo. I really owe you a lot. Thank you. Sa mga bago at lumang subscribers, thank you very much. Bye-bye! Puso ko.
Malaki ay sunod ni Mama.
Anak, dito mo kaya ilalabas sa Dito nak, dito yung hose sa may bintana, dito na ko. Pas kasya ka.
Ano ba yung sunog pa rin?
Ewan ko ba, pag nakita ni na.
So, yan na po siya. After ng fire, pinatagpas lahat ng mga puno para wala ng apoy. So, talagang bakanting bahay po yan. It's an abandoned house. Nobody lives there. Tapos tinirahan lang namin ng mga saging. Thank you.